Good day, madam. I am Summer Angel Viloria Cacas. I am from Marvacan, Ilocos Sur, Philippines. I am 31 years old, married with 2 kids. I am a professional teacher here in the Philippines, and I am willing to guide your child with her social and educational development, with her books, and play with her nicely. I have an experience working in Kuwait Kuwait in Middle East for 1 year and 5 months. I took care of a 2-year-old boy. I resigned due to emergency situations, and my employer were kind enough to understand my situation. I am good in tidying and cleaning and cooking Asian cuisine, but I'm also willing to learn how to cook Chinese cuisine. I am organized, passionate, and kind and honest. Although I can work with coworker, I prefer to work alone so I can focus on my workplace and my duties. I want to take care of your daughter because taking care of kids is really my passion. Thank you.